Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your control settings on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your device. And once you open it up, you will end up within the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Settings. And now, from the Settings page, in order to change your controls, just click on Keybindings at the top. When you click on this, you will see all of the various different actions and key bindings that are set within the game. You can simply click on any action and the key that is currently set, and you will now be asked to enter the new key that you wish to bind with this. You can simply tap on whichever button you want to set and then tap on the apply button, and now your changes will be applied right away. You can do this with all of the controls within the game, and once you are done, make sure that you click on apply, and then you can simply continue playing your game. And your control scheme has now been applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your controls within the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.